This is a quick instruction video on how to build my Omni wheels, as featured on my Beetleweight Combat Robot Percussive Maintenance XL. You can download the files from Thingiverse linked in the description below. So first, you'll have to cast the rollers using 2-part polyurethane, using the mold and roller files. The mold file contains 2 different parts which you can differentiate with the screw positions. So on one half, you have a screw here and here. On the other half, have it here and here. So you'll want to take the roller, and there should be a small shelf on either side of the mold that locates it. You then take the other half, close it up, and use M3 screws here and here to keep it together during the casting process. There's a small hole at the top for you to pour the cast material in. Once you've cast all your rollers, you'll end up with something like this. You'll need to assemble it onto the hub. So what I do is I line the roller in the hub and feed a 2mm carbon fiber rod through. I then cut it down to size. I then take hot glue and I seal both ends of the roller. I then like to immediately wipe off the excess on a bit of scrap plastic. And what that should do is leave you with a plug of hot glue on either side to seal it in. Once you've got your rollers assembled, you'll end up with 2 different versions you can see here. So this one, you've got the screw holes aligned with the rollers, and this one where you've got the screw holes aligned 45 degrees to the rollers, and you want one of each of these per wheel you're assembling. You can then take that wheel, and I've got 22mm long M3 screws, and you can use it to go onto your mounting hub. These are designed to fit the Pololu universal mounting hubs, which are 4 M3 screws on a 12.7mm diameter circle, I believe. But you could quite easily modify this file to fit, say, the Wrangle Box Mars hubs or the Repeat Gold hubs. So that will fit onto the hub there. And then you just attach that. And you want 3 wheels for an Omni wheel configuration.